Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your control settings within the Call of Duty Warzone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty Warzone game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now if you wish to change the control settings for your game, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on controller. From this page, you will be able to set up your controller settings if you have a joystick controller that you can use to play the game. If you would like to redefine your settings for your keyboard and mouse, click on the keyboard and mouse option from the left side. From here you can change your mouse settings and click on keybinds in order to change the controllers within your keyboard. Now within this page, you will be shown all of the controller mapping that has been set within your device. If you wish to change any parameter, you can just click on this and you will be asked which key you would like to set it. Just tap on whichever key you would want to set to, and this will now be binded with this key. You may do this with all of these parameters, and after you have set up your desired control, you can just go back to your game, and all of your control settings have now been applied. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings within the Call of Duty Warzone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.